I'm here to give you a daily update today on Harmony, on One. As you can see here, we do have really quite high points being set here. All-time highs coming through most recently there at around 37 cents there. As you can see from there, guys, we have actually seen a bit of a retracement there. Nothing too crazy, no real high lows really getting validating there, but we have lost the volume weighted ATR band, which is not great. It's not great that we've lost that, but at the end of the day, we are still in an uptrend. We are looking for a breakout scenario to come through, and that's probably going to be clearing all-time highs from there around 35 cents there, around that sort of area there. That's going to be a breakout scenario to be looking out for this this current trend line. As you can see, guys, we do have resistance coming through from this point, really quite strong there. So yeah, but when we do actually climb back up to this level, there's definitely going to be a point to be looking out for, all right? Definitely going to be a point to be looking out for in terms of resistance. But in terms of the scale, right, that we do have there, let's the support that we do have along this lower side is really quite strong there. So this is definitely going to be a level of support for the future. If we can bounce there, amazing stuff. If we lose this zone, guys, yes, it's not going to be great. It's not going to be a great scenario just because, as you can see, we do have, it's going to be basically a measure move to the downside here, right? It's going to be a measure move to the downside, and it's going to be around 16 cents there, bring us down to 16 cents. In terms of a percent for that, if we are going to have continuation to the downside, at the end of the day, it is rising wedge, guys, and they tend to usually break to the downside. It's going to be around 38.10% there. To be looking out for, right? 38.10% to be looking out for in terms of a short position if the pullback is really going to come through for Harmony One there. But in this state of market, right, it's quite unlikely for that to be happening, right? As you can see, we do have a lovely uptrend from that. If we do find support on this zone around 24 cents there, it's not going to be really too bad because we can actually see probably progression up from there. All-time highs getting reached there, and you can see basically breakout scenarios from there, right? As you can see, we're probably looking at maybe another breakout scenario from, wrong thing there. We're going to be looking at probably another breakout scenario from that. We're going to be doing a measure move like so. In terms of a price prediction for the future for Harmony One, definitely something to be looking out for there, because if this is going to break out, to be honest, it really does line up with that trend line there. So interesting stuff coming through there. We could be looking at basically price targets, obviously speculatively speaking, guys, on where we're going to break for Harmony One here. We could be looking price targets here of around a 74, near enough 75% gain there, around 84 cents there. So yeah, interesting stuff to see how that does go for the future there. But yeah, definitely one to be looking out for there. Let's jump down to the 4 hour and have a look there, just because, I mean, I'm not surprised here, just because you can see this downtrend that we are seeing. It's just a pullback from the all-time high, right? It's really not too bad. This could be forming some sort of bull flag scenario there. As you can see, pullback looking pretty strong there. Uptrend, we would be drawing a parallel channel here, guys, and this is basically what bull flag is, right? Parallel channel at the top of an uptrend there. We're going to be looking at something along the lines of this, and this basically is a continuation chart pattern, guys. So if we do actually see us bounce anywhere along this zone, currently testing the 200 EMA as well. Interesting stuff on the 4 hour. Usually acts as a very heavy level of support, and that's why I say that we could be looking at a nice bounce to the upside from here. In terms of a nice little trade, a nice little scalp, would probably be a swing actually, because we are on the 4 hour there. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for is going to be probably a nice long position here for Harmony One, and that's going to be around a 17.86% gain there. So yeah, really quite a profitable one there. Definitely something to be looking out for there. But yeah, that is going to be your update today on Harmony One.